taper and make it nice and curved, not bulky like this, because right when this hits the tissue, it's gonna hurt. Now here's a power tip. I see so many expanders that have bands or crowns that have major bulk right here at the gingival margin. And what we want to do is we want to taper this. And you're going to use a tapering e-cutter and go in and taper and make it nice and curved, not bulky like this, because right when this hits the tissue, it's going to hurt a lot. And then if you really want to go in and taper, your taper joint will look more like this. It comes in. You can use a tapering burr to get in there. So I see a lot of this rookie technicians, they make this mistake. They don't taper the edge and it becomes super bulky on their bands or crowns. And just go in there and get it. You're gonna make the doctor happy, you're gonna make the patient even happier.